US President Donald Trump has announced a trade deal with India that slashes US tariffs on Indian goods from 50% to 18% in exchange for India stopping Russian oil purchases and lowering trade barriers. Noida-based Johnnette Technologies has successfully delivered the third batch of JM-1 loitering munitions to the Indian Army, meeting the delivery schedule as planned. Sweden-based Promoteq is planning to set up an UAV manufacturing plant in UP Defence Corridor with an investment of 500 crore rupees. Internal trials of the Indigenous 800 horsepower engine developed for the Zorawar light tank will begin soon, followed by prototype integration and field testing, with full development targeted within 2 years. A high-level Indian defense delegation led by India's Chief of Defense Staff arrived in Armenia for a 4-day official visit that comes weeks after the first tranche of guided Pinnacle rocket systems were flagged off for Armenia. Officials have stated that a major highlight of the 6 Project 75I submarine deal with Germany is the inclusion of export rights to India, allowing Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited to not only build the submarines domestically, but also offer the customized design to friendly foreign navies. Indian Navy clearance for the Mach 2.5 smart missile system is expected in 2026. It's designed to engage hostile submarines from a range of 670 kilometers. The 3 shortlisted contenders for the AMCA program are expected to receive the request for proposal by early April 2026, marking AMCA's transition from concept and design into an execution-focused industrial phase. While the government has not disclosed the final 3, the bidding process drew wide interest from Indian industry, reflecting the scale and strategic importance of the 5th-generation fighter program. The DRDO chief has said that the third test of the long-range anti-ship hypersonic missile is scheduled soon, after which the missile will be offered for user evaluation and induction. He also added that the land attack and air-launched versions of the long-range anti-ship hypersonic missile are also planned at later stages, that is expected to have strong export potential. Adani Defense has announced a strategic partnership with Italy's Leonardo to build a comprehensive helicopter manufacturing ecosystem in India. The collaboration will focus on the joint development, production and long-term sustainment of helicopters within the country, addressing the evolving requirements of the Indian Armed Forces. At the signing of the Adani-Leonardo partnership, the helicopter depicted is the AW-139, whose military variant Mach-139 features top speeds of around 300 km per hour, advanced avionics, and multi-role capability from search and rescue to tactical troop transport, making it a versatile backbone for future operations. India is set to take a major step in indigenizing the Rafale's weapon suite, with integration of the 160 km range Astra Mk2 and 240 km range Astra Mk2 beyond visual range air-to-air missiles planned to enter the trial phase from 2028. The effort is part of a broader roadmap to equip the Rafale fleet with Indian-developed weapons, enhancing operational flexibility and long-term self-reliance. Thales and Dassault Aviation are supporting the program, primarily through software upgrades to enable seamless interaction between the Astra missiles, the Rafale's onboard radar, and its combat management system. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.